This video is about how to delete your Twitter account permanently. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to delete your account on Twitter permanently, you need to open the application. At the top left corner of your screens, you will see your profiles icon. So click on it and go to settings and support. Scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Click on the first option, your account, and then click on this deactivate account option. Now at the end, you will see this option deactivate. So click on it. After that, you will be required to enter your Twitter account password. And after entering your password, you will be required to click on this deactivate account option. And once you click on it, your account will be deactivated for next 30 days. And if you do not log into your account for the next 30 days, it will be deleted permanently. In this way, you can delete your Twitter account permanently. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.